Today we present to you ANENG's insulation resistance tester. It is equipped with a silicone sheath to avoid bumping and damaging the product. Some small designs can also help you work faster, and it is also very convenient to carry. As a high-end resistance tester, it requires up to 6 AA batteries as a power source. Then you can start working. Turn the turntable to switch to the gear you want. Here you can turn on the screen backlight. Let's see how insulation resistance is measured. Let's adjust the gear first and insert the watch pen. How much voltage to adjust according to the item you measured. Bring alligator clips. Now we can go check it out. Is there a short circuit between the lines? Clamp the 0 and live wires respectively. Press and hold the output key again. OL stands for infinity, indicating that there is no short circuit. Let go and stop the output. We then measure whether there is a short circuit between the 0 wire and the ground wire. It is also well insulated. Try again to see if there is a short circuit between the live wire and the ground wire. It is also well insulated, which means that the circuit is fine. Now let's simulate the leakage test. I put the 0 and the live wires together. Simulate a 0 live wire leakage. Now let's take a look. The screen shows low, which means it has short-circuited and leaked. You can also use it to measure equipment casings. Usually we measure the case with a black clip, red clip wiring. You can let it always take output measurements. You can see that it is well insulated. It means that it has no leakage. Press the button again to stop the measurement. We can detect whether the insulation layer of the water heater is aging. Black pen connector, red pen detection housing. Touching the insulating layer screen will display OL for infinity. If the value is lower than 500 billion, it means there is a risk of leakage and the insulation is not good. Let's try a diode test. It can help you troubleshoot the quality of the diode and display the voltage value at the same time. A light indicates that this diode is good. Switch to buzzer gear. We use the buzzer gear to determine whether the item is on or off. If the item is unobstructed, a beep alarm will sound. If there is no sound, it cannot be heard. Let's test the accuracy of the product. We set the instrument to 300 ohms, and then use the tester to measure the resistance value. You can see that the measurement results are exactly the same as those of the instrument. And then we measure it with a resistance of 1000 ohms. As you can see, the measurements are accurate. Adjust to the capacitor gear, which is a 100 microfarad and 10 microfarad capacitor. Remember to short circuit the discharge before the test. The capacitance of 100 microfarads measured 100 microfarads. The capacitance of 10 microfarads measured 10 microfarads. The results were precise. It can also measure AC and DC voltages. When measuring the battery, be careful to distinguish between the positive and negative electrodes of the battery. Switch to AC voltage gear. Our household AC voltage is generally around 220 volts. You can keep the value on the screen for more convenience. This insulation resistance tester is definitely a must-have tool for electricians.